It is said, expecting too much can only lead to disappointment. Well, in this video, you are going to see it for yourselves. In the morning, data video Raja Master dichitaura nezvekukika boots kwaaita karate kick, a flying kick. So many are calling it by different names, but bro, that's all futi nyaya yake yaJa Master yazoita serious. So let me get into it, but before we get into the story, please subscribe, please ndokumbirawo subscribe akadi. This flying kick yamuri kuona apa patent from a flying kick to death threats. So mafans aJa Master amwe acho anga akashatirwa, so vamwe vacho vatozoti vada kumuraya. I am going to show you a clip yanga itwa nemunhu angachoti ada kumuraya. Due to YouTube policies, I'm not going to show you the real gun, but there was a gun yanga yakabatwa nemurume achithreatena JA Master. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share nezokona pavideo notera.
Message kuna JA Master. Skiri yako wewe ka yekubhutsura mafanzi ka. Tokutsotsonya. Zvamwari chaizvo. Kutwabamura. Uona isimbi. Haisi plastic, haisi fake. Tokutsotsonya. Urega kuita mashows yomuZimbabwe iwewe. Iwewe fanika sewe zvako. Wekufonera Mwari.